May I come in, sir?
Please come in. Please have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to tell you that you are candidate first A and you are first B.
Yes, sir.
First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Deepak Sharma. I am PGT English in Bhavrao Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. And today we are going to conduct ASL of class 12. So first of all, you introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Mandata and I am a student of class 12B, and my hobbies are to listen songs and to sketch.
Okay. Mandata, what do you want to become in your future and why?
Sir, I want to become a veterinary doctor because I personally have an affinity towards animals.
Great. Next, first of all, take off your mask.
Yes, sir.
Now introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Divyam Chauhan and I am pursuing in class 12 and my hobbies are to know more about peoples.
To know more about people. Okay. What do you think? What kind of people you like most?
Sir, I like funny peoples and who are interested to know more things.
Are you also funny?
Yes, sir, little.
Okay. So Mandata and Divyam, I will give you a topic each. First of all, I will give a topic to Mandata. So Mandata, you will speak about that topic for around 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Then Divyam and me, we will ask some question to you. The same Divyam we will do with you. I will give you a topic. Then Mandata and me, we will ask some question to you. After that, I will give you a prompt, problem solving task. So you will read that. After that, there would be a discussion about that problem. So that is going to be our ASL. So first of all, I will give you a topic, Mandata, and your topic is hazards of smoking. Hazards of smoking.
Okay, sir.
Are you comfortable with the topic?
Yes, sir.
So begin.
So personally, as we all know that smoking is very harmful for our health and for our atmosphere as well. Because we all know that smoke from the cigarette goes up in the atmosphere, mixes with the air, and it contaminates it all. So first of all, I will talk about the health issues that occur when someone smokes. It causes lung cancer, it can cause mouth cancer, it can also cause severe damage in the kidney and pancreas and even your stomach. And it can also affect your brain, as it affect your brain receptor, and it can cause minor dementia, or you can say memory loss. So research has shown that smoking can cause severe brain damage, and as well as when a compound found in smokes, that is nicotine, it go and affects your brain receptors, which can cause severe brain damage and also can cause memory loss. And it is found that smokers or continuous smoker who smoke about 20 cigarettes per day also suffer from dementia or memory loss in comparison to other healthy people. There is also a term called passive smokers. When a person is around a smoker or a group of person, that person or group of person will also be affected by the smoke that the smoker is inhaling or exhaling, because they are all in the same atmosphere, and it will affect their health as well, the group of person or the single person.
Okay, Mandata. Now Divyam and me, we will ask some question to you. Divyam, would you like to ask any question to Mandata?
Yes, sir, of course, I would like to ask question from Mandata, and that is, Mandata, what do you think that we should consult a boy who is consistently smoking and regularly?
So first of all, smoking is not just any habit that you can leave easily. Smoking is like an addiction. So it is very necessary to be careful while handling this stuff, because someone who is addicted to something, it is not very easy to make them leave it. So he has to go from proper medication and therapy for this.
Mandata, I would like to ask you, is there someone in your family who smoke?
No sir, not at all.
Okay, so there is nobody who smokes in your family?
Yes sir.
Okay, tell me what exactly happened with you when you go around the people who actually smoke?
Sir, I start to cough when I come in contact with any smoker, because the smoke makes me choke on my breath. And most of all, I try to avoid going near them.
Okay. Now, very well done, Mandata. Now, Divyam, I am giving you a topic. You will speak about that topic. Then Mandata and me, we will ask some question to you.
Okay.
So your topic is, as you know, this year the board examinations are about to take place on OMR sheets.
Yes.
So what exactly is your mindset? What is your thinking about OMR sheets?
Okay. During corona pandemic, we have seen that the previous session has gone and they have not take their exam of board. So it was very tough task to of board and school also to make their mark sheet for mark sheet of 12th. So the board has take decision to divide our syllabus into part, term first and term second. So the term first exam will be the objective. So we have to do it in OMR sheet, and I disappointed with this because when we have not familiar with this type of exams, and it is totally new for us. And while filling the exam, while filling the OMR sheet, we have seen that our pen goes our pen goes out of the circle, so it damage our OMR sheet also, which cannot be scanned by the machine. So it is a very tough task for all of us. So I think that the OMR sheet, the both terms should be a subjective examination.
It's okay. Mandata, please ask question.
So as you said that we have problems while filling the circles in OMR sheet, would you like to suggest something to us students?
Yes, I would like to suggest something for students, that they should buy a OMR sheet or take the printout of OMR sheet, so that they can practice in their home, and they should issue some sample papers from library, or they can take sample paper from shops also to practice that.
Very well done, Divyam. Now tell me one thing, what is one advantage and disadvantages of taking examination on OMR sheets?
Sir, there is one advantage of this examination is that we should prepare us for competition exam, and there is one disadvantage also, that we are not familiar with this, so we cannot achieve more marks as compared to board exam.
It's okay. Now I am giving you a prompt. It is a problem solving task. There is a problem written on this paper. You both will read it. After that you will discuss and try to find out the solution. Okay? So this is your prompt. Please read aloud so that it can be recorded.
There is a student in your class who always creates disturbance in class, asks silly questions, doesn't let the teachers teach. What do you think should be done towards him?
So the task is very easy. That there is a student of your class. He keeps on creating disturbances, doesn't allow the teachers to teach, asks silly question. So what do you think? What exactly would be the remedial action for him? Mandata.
Sir, in my opinion, he should be punished properly, because the first time someone do something unknowingly or unconsciously, that is a mistake. We can all agree to that. But the second time he does the same thing again, that's his choice, and he's doing that mistake again and again. So that is not a mistake, he's doing it on purpose. So I think proper punishment should be allowed for him.
Divyam.
Yes, sir. I think that we should make him realize that what he or she has done. So we can tell him that don't to do this again. If you will do this again, we will punish you.
Okay. Mandata, is there any student in your class who creates such disturbance?
Yes, sir.
Is any teacher over there who tackles him well?
Yes, sir. There is particularly one teacher who handles him well, because he knows how to tackle with these situations.
So
I
what-
guess he has experience in it.
So what he does? How he
Sir-
handles?
Sir, whenever that particular student who asks silly questions, the teacher also replies him in that same manner. That if you ask a silly question, you will get a silly answer. You cannot expect for a proper answer on that.
So Divyam, in your class you find somebody
Yes, sir.
who behaves like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is he your friend or you keep distance from him?
Sir, he is my friend.
He is your friend. You never make him understand?
Sir, I make him understand, but he not.
But
think
he
about-
is still off track.
Yes.
Then why he is your friend? Why don't you keep a distance?
Sir, because he helps me in my study, and he helps in everything which other friend not can do.
But Mandata, as you know that we said that he asked silly question and he's saying that boy is intelligent. So if an intelligent boy is asking silly question, what exactly is the mean?
Sir, he is doing it on purpose.
He is doing it intentionally.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It happens in the classes.
Yes, sir.
Well, Mandata and Divyam, this was your ASL. So thank you so much. You both have done very well. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.